The topic I will be studying today is the bank reconciliation. So the bank reconciliation is a method of identifying differences in the balances of an entity's accounting records and those in the bank statement. Subsequently, these differences can be altered across both accounting records to ensure correct and accurate documentation of the balances. These bank reconciliations, however, must be undertaken regularly to ensure that all cash balances are correctly recorded. So firstly, the key terms to be aware of. First one, deposits in transit. These are cash or checks that have been received and recorded by an entity, however not the bank, due to time differences. The next is outstanding checks, which are checks that have been recorded by the entity but not cleared by the bank's cash balance. Finally, non-sufficient fund checks, which are checks that have not been honoured and hence are recorded as insufficient funds in the balances. Problems that may arise include checks that clear the bank after being voided. If a check remains uncleared for extensive periods of time, it is common that they will become void. However, if they are not recognised as void and a replacement check is sent, the original check is paid, issues may occur. Next is deposit checks being refused. If a deposit check is refused, the original entry must be reversed by crediting the cash balance and debiting the accounts receivable. So what is the process? Well, the first step is to compare the company's list of issued checks and deposits to the checks shown in the statement to identify the key errors, such as uncleared checks and deposits in transit. So how does this look in the bank statement? Well, first we write the title and the month ending. Then we begin with the cash balance at the beginning of the month. We add deposits in transit. We deduct outstanding checks. And we record the adjusted cash balance for the bank statement. The next is per the depositor's record. So in this, we add receivables collected and interest earned, and we deduct NSF checks, service charges, and errors. Then we record the adjusted balance. And that is how we complete a bank reconciliation.